trims to go. So I've got door locks to go. Yeah, seats in. These are just the 184 seats, and they only bolt. 3 out of the 4 bolts fit because the tunnel is different in here. A little bit of struggle getting the carpet to fit. It'll fit. It doesn't fit perfect, obviously, because the tunnel's a little bit wider in the GT4 than it is in the st185. So back seats in. So next step, door trims and door locks.